In today's video, we're going to be learning the graphemes. What is a grapheme? A grapheme is the smallest functional unit of a writing system. A grapheme helps a learner who's learning how to read from the scratch to understand that words can be broken into smaller units for easy pronunciation. Let's take for example, we're going to be breaking some words into smaller chunks before we look at the grapheme together. I believe that you want to watch and sound the graphemes with me. Alright, the first word we're going to be looking at is cat. Let's take, for example, have a word cat. The word cat has 3 letters, K, and A, and T. 3 letters, 3 graphemes. The next one we're going to be looking at is birds. Alright, so we have this word birds. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 letters. Let's look at the number of graphemes in the word birds. We have the, then we have the, and we have O and A, which says O. And we have the next one, that is 2. So the word bird has 4 letters, 3 graphemes. B, O, A, T, B. O and A says O, and this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, 3 graphemes. The next one we're going to be looking at is, let's look at the word yes, couch. The word couch has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Let's look at the graphemes. We have K, then O and U says ow, then T and H got started together to say ch. So from the 3 words we can see here, we have cat, boat, couch. Let's take a closer look at them. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 letters. 1, 2, 3, 3 graphemes. The word boat, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 letters. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 graphemes. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. And you have 1, 2, 3 graphemes. It means that 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters. That is cat, boat, and couch. 3 of them have, each of them have 3 graphemes. So let's look at the graphemes together. Let's sound it together. First letter you can see here is S. Next is A, A, T, I, P, P, A, J, O, I, E, R, Z, W, V, question concerning the graphing. I want to see your question in the comment section. See you in the next video.